Amidst the global digital asset industry's ongoing trend toward greater compliance, institutionalization, and systematization, the role of the exchange is undergoing a profound transformation. The market no longer seeks merely a tool for trade matching. Rather, it expects a comprehensive financial infrastructure capable of hosting liquidity, integrating trading strategies, managing risk, and maintaining global regulatory compliance. Fynor is a new generation intelligent digital finance platform born precisely out of this evolving landscape. Over the next 3 years, Fynor will focus on 4 core competencies: trading efficiency, asset security, risk control, and global compliance, to continuously build its own long-term competitive moat. It will gradually evolve from a matching-centric trading platform into a comprehensive digital asset infrastructure that integrates a liquidity hub, an AI decision-making system, and an open ecosystem. 2026 marks a pivotal year for Fynor, characterized by the strengthening of its technical capabilities and the deployment of its AI models. The platform will officially launch an AI trading signal system, initially centered on ETH as the core asset, that fuses multidimensional data, including on-chain metrics, market structure analysis, volatility models, and sentiment analysis. By providing users with trend forecasts and risk alerts, this system will drive the transition of trading practices from being experience-driven to data-driven. Concurrently, the matching engine and liquidity framework will undergo a comprehensive upgrade, while risk control and clearing mechanisms will be further optimized to provide robust support for high-frequency trading and a large-scale user base. In 2027, Fynor will enter its phase of institutionalization and ecosystem expansion. The platform will open up low-latency APIs and support the FIX protocol to facilitate institutional-grade access, while also onboarding professional market makers and liquidity providers. Simultaneously, an open strategy marketplace will be launched, allowing third-party quantitative trading teams to participate and establish efficient linkages between trading strategies, capital, and users. During this phase, the platform's native token, FYN, will also be integrated into core application scenarios, forging a long-term value alignment between the platform and its users. By 2028, Fynor will have completed its transformation from a trading platform into a global digital financial infrastructure. The platform will expand into a multi-asset ecosystem, encompassing both digital assets and tokenized real-world assets, RWAs, and will explore a hybrid architecture that seamlessly integrates centralized and decentralized elements to construct a more open and transparent financial network. Furthermore, its global compliance framework and regional node network will be fully established, enabling the seamless flow of institutional capital and facilitating synergistic liquidity across multiple markets. From trading to strategy, from platform to ecosystem, from tool to infrastructure, Fynor is redefining the boundaries of digital asset trading and building a smarter, more stable, and sustainable future financial system.